I'm going to show you an exciting gaming metaverse project, which is 95% down and has great potential to perform well in the next bull run. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto. No FOMO. Before I continue, I must let you know I am not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest your money and only invest what you can afford to lose. I think this is relatively high risk. Let's go on to the website here, CoinGecko. So Wilder World is currently trading at 33 cents per Wilder, and it's been around that price for quite some time now. So since around about 2022, what was that? August was that? May into yeah. So it's quite a while. There hasn't been much price action, but I think that could change. I really think this could be one of the exciting projects that takes up when the gaming metaverse narrative kicks in. So market cap at the moment is 91 million. Circulating supply was at 274.5 million roughly. Total supply 500 million. Um, so this is, I don't think this is going to, you know, go to the moon. I think it's good to have kind of diversified um, kind of projects and categories and between higher risk, low risk. But I think this could do well. As you can see, there has been kind of an uptick of 0.6% at the moment. So I think this could be a time to buy. I am currently holding this token. I will be buying some more, but I won't be buying a whole lot. I think this is going to just complement my portfolio. You can get this from several markets here. So I bought this through Mexi. So there are other markets here. So you got KuCoin, Bitmart, uh, these other ones here, BitGet, Uniswap, Bitfinex. Um, so going on to the actual project itself. I'm sorry, let me just go back to the the top here. Get my words out. So Wild World is a massive multiplayer metaverse that leverages the advancements in photorealism, artificial intelligence, and blockchain technology. You, as a wilder, control its future. And it's kind of got these futuristic graphics here. Got these kind of like these supercars. Almost looks like a McLaren here. Um, you can explore. So this is kind of the massive kind of multiplayer metaverse. Battle as well, and earn. So you can actually kind of own the assets on here, which is kind of like the metaverse, kind of NFT. So if you go onto CoinGecko, it has those categories here. So the story behind it is that in 1945, the detonation of the atomic bomb caused the Great Fork, entangling our base reality with another. Wilder World became the bridge between these two worlds. So that's the story behind it. Okay. So defend Wyoming. Now I don't know whose idea call it Wyoming. It's just like I would have thought they would have come up with a better name, but I mean I guess most people know Miami, and it's kind of like Wilder World, so they're like they want to make it easy to remember. I suppose if you go to the metaverse, you put your kind of headset on or whether you're doing some gaming, you'll say to your friends, "Oh, I'll meet you at Wyoming." So Miami is the first city in Wilder World. At its center is the kernel, a source code module designed to decentralize power and limit outside forces vying to take control of the metaverse. So it must be a really good place to be. I guess they got their inspiration from the Matrix as well. Um, yeah, so you got the kind of futuristic worlds here, and you've got different kind of neighborhoods as well. I'll just scroll through a few of these here. Um, I haven't seen these ones yet. This is my second take on the video. uh, yeah, so So it's kind of got bits for everybody. Oh look, it's a little cat right there. Oh, that's little meow. Uh, a city the size of a city. So they actually want to make it like really, really like a massive. You can go and go and explore everywhere. 9+ industries, 10+ districts, and 100+ neighborhoods. And you can sign up for your own kind of avatar, get accessories on there. There's a market. I guess that's where where you can buy your NFTs. You can look at on there. Um, I did see. Where did I see? Yeah, you can look on here for frequently asked questions. Look at the team. Zine, what I've got here was, I guess that's Zine magazine. There's updates from the developers as well. Um, so as I said, the current price is about 33 cents. A 5x would mean that it would need to be roughly $2 per wilder. Let's go up and be a bit more optimistic. So what's that? The 10x is saying 370. I'd say it would be like 330. Oops. And 15x would mean the price would be 530. I mean, it has reached that price before. As we saw on the chart on CoinGecko, it went up to like $7. Uh, I think as the all-time high. A 20x would be returned to the price on here. Um, Let me just go back up to this. So if you think that it can go back up to that tip, that summit there, I was saying like six. Oh no, here we go. Yeah, so if you think it will go back up there, I'm estimating this could be like a 5 to 10x at the most. Not everything on my channel will be high risk or medium risk, but the majority on this channel will be medium to high risk projects. Simply because that's what I find more interesting and what I'm investing at the moment. But even though I don't play games, I do kind of watch the space. It really is developing. It's a multi-billion industry anyway, and how people change with games as well, and more people are accustomed to different ways of enjoying games. I think this could be an exciting project to look at. If that's interesting to you, please leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. It is my birthday tomorrow. So my birthday wish is, please can we get as many likes on this video, and if you're